What's up, guys? Ray with Nice Solutions here in Canada, here to talk to you about a new product. This one is the OP14, which is our new monocular that is hitting the market now. This is one of the most streamlined devices on the market. We're excited to share it with you guys. Let's get into it. So obviously one of the first things you see when you look at this device is there is no J-arm, no threaded port for a J-arm, and that the Dovetail is integrated into the device. This is one of the things that we're most excited about with this, and that is its ability to be mounted onto your helmet without needing extra hardware that adds weight, adds bulk, and adds an additional failure point. Furthermore, this can articulate over either one of your eyes. So if you're right or left eye dominant, you can wear this and articulate it out of the way easily. If I learned one thing from Call of Duty, it's that switching to your secondary is always faster than reloading your night vision. This is no exception to that. Pushing it out of the way is just faster rather than looking for that stow button on your mount. Furthermore, it's got a lot of quality of life features. So manual gain memory, so it's going to remember the gain that it was set to when you power it off, and when you power it back on, it's going to come right back to that same setting. It's got a built-in IR illuminator for those of you who still like to have your onboard illuminator. And furthermore, when you articulate this device up, you have the option to enable auto off on articulation, as well as enable auto off on stow. So for those of you who are using these in more dynamic environments, you'll probably want to have those features set to off. That way the device is only turning off when you want it off. But for those of you who just like those little quality of life features and like to have that peace of mind for protecting your tubes, that's a great option to have on this device, and it's in there and doesn't require any special programming. You as the end user can make those adjustments on the fly depending on what your needs are. For power source, we're running off a single CR123. That's going to give you well in excess of 40 hours of runtime, which is huge. When it comes to weight for this device, obviously by getting rid of the J-arm, we've saved a lot of weight, but seeing is believing, so let's put it on the weight scale and show you guys what we're talking about. Including battery, we are looking at a full system weight, and this is about its lightest configuration of 266 grams, which makes it competitive with just about every other really lightweight, and it's miles ahead of your kind of legacy PVS-14 with mil-spec optics. It's way lighter than any of those. Obviously, because the J-arm is integrated in this, if you want to do kind of an apples to apples comparison, just add about 35 grams of weight for a Mod Armory or a Wilcox J-arm in order to have a comparable weight between this and other housings. In terms of durability for this housing, we dropped it so you didn't have to. It passed mil standard 810G for the drop test, and it also passes IP68 for ingress protection against water and dust. That means that this is going to be a pretty durable housing for you. It can take the bumps and shocks and that sort of stuff, so it is field ready. These are live on our website right now, as well as live with a bunch of our dealers and distributors around the globe, and they can build these into custom devices for you as well. Check them out. Look forward to seeing them in action. Be good.